Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Chamberlain MyQ app to link with Alexa routines step by step clearly. First, unlock your smartphone and open the App Store. For iOS devices, tap on the App Store icon. For Android devices, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Chamberlain MyQ and press enter. Look for the Chamberlain MyQ app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's compatibility with your device. If your device is compatible, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the MyQ app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. If prompted, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your MyQ account. Ensure your garage door opener is compatible with the MyQ technology. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your garage door opener to the MyQ app. Once your opener is linked, go to the Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the More option in the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type MyQ and press enter. Find the MyQ skill in the search results and tap on it. Tap the Enable to Use button to link your MyQ account. Log in with your MyQ account credentials when prompted. Once linked, tap the button to discover devices. Wait for Alexa to find your garage door opener. You're now ready to set up routines in the Alexa app. Navigate back to the main menu and select Routines. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Set a trigger for when you want the routine to activate. Select Add Action and choose Smart Home. Find and select your garage door opener from the list. Choose the action you want Alexa to perform, such as opening or closing the door. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.